Hey guys, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a piping bag or decorating bag from a parchment triangle. So I like to think of it as an item to help you. So think of this like a hat. So you're going to grab the tip of your hat, the top of your hat, and then you're going to take one side of your bottom of your hat. If you're right-handed, you're going to take the right side. And you're going to take the tip of that and you're going to spiral it inside until you have a point. And you're going to be making a crown here. Now you're going to take the other side, the left side if you're right-handed, and you're going to wrap this around the outside of your cone. And you're going to see that we have a crown now. So let me show you one more time. You're going to have your hat, you're going to hold the top of your hat with your left hand, and then with your right hand you're going to grab the bottom right of your hat and you're going to spiral that inside, and then you're going to take the other side and you're going to wrap that around the outside of your cone to make a crown. Now you can play around with it to adjust it a little bit. I find that pulling the two sides of the crown upward tend to tighten the cone, and then when you have your cone how you like it, then you could go ahead and fold over your crown and make a nice tight seam so it stays nice and in place. And then for extra precaution, you can make a little rip and then fold those sides over to also keep it more secure. Now the big thing you want to make sure is that your piping bag, your cone, is tight. You want the paper to be tightly wrapped around each other. I prefer to use a tip, even though sometimes there's this perfect little opening at the bottom, because the paper can get soggy and wrinkled and sometimes it has a seam, but you can do it without having a tip. When I do decide not to use a piping tip, I prefer to cut the size hole I want at the bottom instead of trying to play around with the parchment paper to make it the right size. That's just my preference. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you next time.